Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel. There we go. Extend it, and you should see the battery saver toggle right over here. So you can simply tap on it to enable it. Now when you do it, it will open up also the settings of it, but right here when you do, it also brings up this window. Now in the window you can see that it also gives you information on what it will exactly do. So one of the things is max brightness will be reduced to 90%, background activities and data restrictions, meaning your Wi-Fi, for instance, and mobile networking will be basically terminated after like couple minutes of inactivity. So when you're not using the phone and you set it down, lock it, it will start the countdown, and after like, I don't know, for instance 5 minutes, I'm not exactly sure what the time is, the device just simply disconnects from everything. Now this will affect notifications, so if there are notifications that will require internet, those notifications will not arrive to you till you interact with the device. The moment you do interact, the device then reconnects to everything back up. And also vibration is disabled, so just tap on turn on to enable it, and there we go. So the device is now in the power saving mode, which you can also see based on that little icon right here, a battery with a plus. And this is the normal power saving mode. You also have the other one, the maximum, which does everything that the normal one does, plus additional things like it just flat out turns off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, disables locations, enables night mode. What else? Frame rate is reduced. Now the frame rate reduction is one of the worst ones, so the device will look really bad once you enable it. So let's switch it on just so you can see how it looks like. There we go. So there's the dark mode. If I go home, I'm gonna kind of demonstrate the frame rate. So you can see right now on the notification panel, when I'm sliding it down, it looks really unappealing. There is like no smoothness to it, it's kind of choppy. That is the fault of the reduced frame rate. And as you can see, wallpaper is gone, dark mode is enabled, and yeah, there's a bunch of other things happening in the background that we just can't see. And that is how you would enable it. Now to disable it, you will have to hold the icon, and from here select the off mode. And this will return the device into the normal mode without the power saving. And again, you can see that once you pull it down, everything is relatively smooth again. So that is how you would enable the power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.